Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another review video, and this is going to be for a household product, which I'm actually really excited about because not only does it help the environment, it actually helps you do your tasks, and that is take out the trash, which sometimes we let build up, but good news is if you let it build up, these bad boys are nice and thick and durable. I got one right over here. I just loaded it up. I will show you that one. These are biodegradable and recyclable tall kitchen drawstring trash bags. This particular one right here is 13 gallon, but the company does sell other ones in different gallon sizes as well. As you can see, the small trash can behind me right there, the silver one down below, is not 13 gallon, but it fits in there perfectly fine. I actually don't exactly know what the size of that one is. I want to think it's like maybe 7 gallon or 9 gallon ballpark, somewhere right around there. So there's 80 per box right here, and just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box below the video is going to be this exact same product. You guys can read more about it, pick a couple boxes up yourselves. But again, these trash bags have drawstrings. They're ultra thick, 1.2 millimeter thick, leak proof and durable, and again, they're biodegradable and recyclable. What's also cool is I actually have an open box right here already, and once you open it up, it has a little slot where they just kind of stick right out, and you can grab one at a time right there. Let's go ahead and look at the box here. 13 gallon biodegradable trash bags. This is absolutely fantastic because the technology has improved very, very much since you've probably first heard of them. Obviously, they just pull out like this and then just wave it out. And again, 13 gallon, drawstring right on top there. Once you're done, pull that handle up, tie that up, take that out to the trash can there. Again, very, very durable and thick, 1.2 millimeters thick, and looking absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and back that shot up here. Very nice bag all together. And let's go ahead and look and see my trash can here. So let's try to figure out how big this one actually is. Doesn't say on the bottom there. So if you do have a trash can like this, I just wrap it around. As you can see there, yes, it's a little bit bigger, but totally works. And I like this because I can use this in this trash can. I can use this for taking a lot of things out at one time, not just this little guy. And so the bigger 13 gallon size works great for this can. And then obviously, once you have it up, I already have a little toilet paper roll tube in there. I think some coffee grounds already, and it's looking fantastic. So we'll be back with you after we use a bunch and test out the durability. Well, guys, overall, I'm very impressed with these bags. I literally have filled it to the brim with shredded paper. I've been shredding some documents, and I literally have filled it all the way up. This is absolutely phenomenal. Very sturdy, very thick, and biodegradable and recyclable. I mean, come on, what's not to love there? Let's go ahead and get a closer shot of that right there. All of the shredded paper. I actually probably filled it a little too tall, but that's okay because we have our little handles here, and they'll go ahead and tighten up right there, and then we'll go ahead and probably give it a nice little knot, seal that up a little bit more. And again, I might have filled it a little bit too tall. I just got to be careful of those shreds of paper, but once I fill it up like that, it sinks down about 1 inch or so. But that's pretty much to the brim right there. Very sturdy, very nice. Being able to definitely, that's not going anywhere. Very thick. Overall, guys, some solid bags, not to mention, come on, biodegradable. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. In the description box below, again, is gonna be the exact same link for these bags and the smaller version of these bags in that link below. Smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and look for those links below. Take care. Bye-bye, guys. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.